elevator bank A here at the yeah, this is Mercy Health. This is actually the St. Elizabeth Hospital here in Youngstown, Ohio. Very interesting elevator setup here. It's gonna be the one behind us. Yep. Modernized Otis here. What floor are you guys coming to?
3, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Going up?
Going up.
What floor?
6, please.
Alright.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Otis.
3rd floor.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too.
Here you go.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's going up.
Down. Oh, okay. Are you going up?
Yeah.
Whoops. They over left anyway.
Should we get out of here? Is it busy?
8th floor.
Not really.
Alright.
Should go back down to 1.
I'm not going to ride along just this one.
Here we go. Cab view. It's very nice elevators. Stuff that's been modernized. Series 2.
First floor.
Hey, look at that. Nice stuff.
Okay.
And I guess that's gonna be it.